Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another video. We have been checking out a software called Synthesia for a couple of videos now. This is an AI aimed at creating professional videos for enterprises such as training videos, sales videos, internal communication videos, and so on. We have created our own avatar. We have been checking out some of the different functionalities that the software has, where you can create videos using, for example, articles from Wikipedia. You can also import scripts. You can ask the software to create scripts for you using prompts. And all in all, we have been checking out some of the tools that the software has. If you haven't checked out all of those videos, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed on the software. And on this video, we're going to be checking out something regarding language. We're going to be dubbing videos using one of the other tools that the software has. This plan that I'm using is one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of these as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. So as always, I'm going to make my face disappear so you can see my screen a bit better. See you guys in the end. So as I was just telling you, we're going to be using this tool right here that is called AI dubbing. These on the bottom are some of the projects that we created in the previous videos. Once again, if you haven't checked them out, I invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed. So if we click right here on AI dubbing that says translate any video, we can pick out from 32 different languages that the software has. You can upload a video that you've created on your cell phone or with a camera, or you can paste a YouTube link for a video that is in one language that you want to translate to another language. I'm going to be using one of my videos. I am a creator, so I have a YouTube channel. This is the video that I'm going to be using where I'm speaking in Spanish.
Esto que están viendo detrás de mí es un pan de ajo y queso que se hace en 5 minutos. Perfecto.
So I'm just gonna take the URL and paste it right here. The software is gonna take some time to upload the video and analyze the video. You can change the project name to whichever name that you want. This is a garlic bread video that is pan de ajo in Spanish. I'm just gonna write garlic and cheese sticks. Right here, you can pick out the original language of the video. You can leave it on auto detect, or you can pick out the specific language. I'm gonna choose Spanish because that is the original language. And I wanna translate it to English and also into German. I'm gonna try 2 languages and see what the software does. You can have the lip sync option, but it doubles the credits that you need in order to create the video. You can change the video duration from adaptative that says dub video speed will be adjusted to fit translation, or you can leave the original length as well. I'm gonna leave it in adaptative to see what the software does, and then we can click on generate. So the software is gonna take some minutes to create the final videos. You can always go and leave the software thinking and come back in a couple of minutes to check out if the software has already generated the video. So the videos have already rendered. We have the German one right here. This is the original one and this is the English one. Let's first check out the original one.
Esto que están viendo detrás de mí es un pan de ajo y queso que se hace en 5 minutos. Perfecto para acompañar, por ejemplo, la sopa mexicana que ya subí al canal. Si no han visto.
So this is the Spanish one. Now let's check out the English one.
What you see behind me is a garlic and cheese bread that you can make in just 5 minutes. It's perfect to go with, for example, the Mexican soup I already uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen that recipe, it should be popping up here as a suggestion right now. My name is Santiago, better known as El de las Trufas, and
What I find really amazing is that the software recreates the tone of my voice. It really sounds like my voice speaking in English, and all the audio that was in the video is automatically translated and dubbed by the software. So this is the English one. Now let's check out the Deutsch one, the German one.
Das, was ihr hinter mir seht, ist ein Knoblauch-Käsebrot, das in 5 Minuten fertig ist. Perfekt, um zum Beispiel die mexikanische Suppe zu begleiten, die ich schon auf dem Kanal hochgeladen habe. Falls ihr das Rezept noch nicht gesehen habt.
Once again, the audio is perfectly translated. The tone of my voice is really similar in Spanish and in German. And if you click on the language, you can change it so you can see side by side how the original one is and the dubbed versions as well. It even adds the closed caption for the original video. And I find that really useful because you could upload a video, then download it and use it with the closed captions. And once again, it does it in all 3 languages. We have the captions in English as well.
If you haven't seen that recipe, it should be popping up here as a suggestion right now.
So if we go to the editor and we click on generate, you can enable the lip sync option. I'm gonna do that with the English version of the video to see how the software does that. And we just need to wait a couple of minutes for the software to generate the video. So this is the version with the lip sync and in English.
What you see behind me is a garlic and cheese bread that you can make in just 5 minutes. It's perfect to go with, for example, the Mexican soup I already uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen that recipe, it should be popping up here as a suggestion right now. My name is Santiago, better known as El de las Trufas, and I'm going to show you how to make it so you have an awesome side dish. Let's start by putting some butter in a bowl. It's better if you use butter instead of margarine. The flavor is much richer and it's healthier too. We're going to cream it a bit with a spoon, meaning we're going to soften it so it's easier to spread on the bread later. Just move it against the sides.
As you see, the voice is very natural, as with the other languages, and the lip sync is very good as well. You can see even that the software added my teeth when I'm opening my mouth, whether in Spanish I'm not opening it that much. So the work that it does is really good.
In the bottom until it's more spreadable. Once it's like that,
you saw right there with the word more, that I obviously didn't pronounce in Spanish, the software moved the lips so it looks more natural in English. And we can change the speaker also. Right now it's in speaker 1 because it detected my voice and it's using my voice, but we can change from the multiple of languages that are on the library as well. As you saw, dubbing videos is really easy and fast using this amazing software called Synthesia. There are a bunch of languages that you can pick from. If you upload your own video, you can also translate it and even add lip sync for the final video to be really professional and really real looking. You can do this with any video on YouTube that is already uploaded to the platform as well, but it must be 2 minutes or less. If the video is longer than that, the software automatically trims it to 2 minutes. But as you saw, the process is really fast and really intuitive. The final product looks very good. The way in which the person, in this case me, is talking with the dubbed language looks really natural and is really usable in different scenarios. For you to, for example, publish one of your YouTube videos in another language in another channel, or for you to use a training video in another language if you have different employees from different parts of the world. And all in all, it's a really useful tool and really easy to use tool. Once again, if you want to use some of these paid plans, like the one that I'm using, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you guys. If it was, I really invite you to comment down below, to like this video, and to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of the videos that we're gonna be uploading from now on as well. Thank you very much for watching, and without further ado, see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.